What's up, YouTube? Dr. Shepard here again. We're going to be doing a little content creation. We're going to be doing a tutorial here today having to do with content creation. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay, first thing we want to do is go to Shopia. Now, I've got several sites opened up here. I've got our WordPress site. I've got ChatGPT open. I've got Shopia open, and I've got Pixel where you can go and get free art or free photos for your article. And so what we'll do is look at our outline. We've created an outline in ChatGPT, and the outline is created from this prompt. Now you can change some things with your prompt, and there's some things that you can do to elicit a great response from ChatGPT. And I'm not going to get very deep into outline creation because we're going to just be working from an outline that's already been created. We have already written this first article, so we're going to mark that written. We're going to go into this second article, and so we're going to grab this. We're going to copy this, Control C, just copy that, and then go back to Shopia and click Create Document. All right, it's going to go into the article creation, and we're going to click from this page, Article Wizard. We're going to skip the SEO. We don't need to enter anything in an SEO analysis. We don't want to do that. We're going to skip that. We're going to go into Describe Article, and we're going to paste our keywords that we copied from our outline into this section. All right. Copy those in there. Put a question or a comma after each one. Comma. We're just going to kind of put these in paragraph form. All those in paragraph form. And then we're going to grab this and we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and we're going to say, we've already said we need keywords before, so we've already got this filled out. So now, and the prompt is, please give me 50 keywords that are powerful and most relevant to the article in paragraph form and separated by commas. That's our prompt. And so we've already got a prompt that's been placed before. So now we're just going to say, do this article. Once your prompt is in place, you can save those and reuse these prompts. So I generally use these prompts over and over again. And so now we're just going to say, do this article. And it's giving some information about the article. And we're going to use the same prompt. We're just going to go down here and copy and paste paragraph form separated by commas. This thing is, basically outlining this article for us. We don't need that. We just need these keywords. And so we're going to stop it right there and just get these keywords. I'm going to copy them. We're going to go back to Shopia, and we're just going to place those after the other keywords. So now we've got, maybe 50, maybe 70 keywords there. After that, we're just going to grab all of the keywords that describes the article. We've already got a style entered in here, so we're not going to mess with that. We're just that's just already a default. Continue. Now again, we're going to go back and add these keywords in again. This says up to 20, so we can count 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll cut that off right there. This is up to 50, so we'll add those back in again. This you would change if we were working on a different website. This is the website we're working on, so we'll leave that the same. I like to have the long change it from medium to long because we like to write long articles. And everything else basically stays the same here. Click continue. Here is the titles for our articles. And so we get some suggested titles. A lot of these have numbers out in front of them. Google likes numbers. I don't like them so much. I like short titles. Unlocking is good. We're just going to use that. Unlocking the power of mindset to achieve your goals. And this is what it's about. It's about a mentality. It's about confidence. So we'll use that as a title. We could just use developing confidence as a first-time investor, or we could just chop some of this off to make it work. I like unlocking, so we'll continue with that. And once we get to this point, we click that button and Shopia begins to generate our outline for us. And so this thing is generating. Sometimes it generates slower than at other times. And so as this is generating our outline, we'll go back to Realty Banker and we will begin to add our new post in here. Okay, we'll go to posts and we'll click add new post. Begin to prepare our new post. Looks like our outline is finished. I like a good outline like this, and so we'll just start adding these in one at a time. Okay, we've got all these added in here. I like to change this from 50 to 150 to 250 to 300. I like a good long article. I want to have 25 to 3,000 words in my article, so I just change all of these sections from 150 words to 250 to 300. Let's have good sections. Let's have a good article. And so we're doing good content creation. We need a good long article. Google likes fresh content. Google likes a lot of content. So we're here at the generate article section here, and we will just click generate article now. We've got everything filled out. So now we're generating an article. This is the section. It takes some time to generate this article. So we'll just pause our video and we'll pick back up here once the article is generated. All right, the article is finished. It's 2,624 words. I like that. I want it to be between 2,500 and 3,000 words. Google likes a lot of words. Google likes fresh content. And so now we just click edit in document. It's going to bring us to this page. And we see the article is finished here, but there's no pictures. There's nothing here but just words. We'll click on the media button over here. And we'll grab some words from this section here. Let's just grab mindset, paste in here and see what that brings up. Mindset. I like a good horizontally aligned picture. You see that horizontally aligned pictures are wider than they are longer. Mindset had a few good pictures in there. Let's type goal setting in there. See what comes up. Goal setting. I like it. Okay. Goal setting. It's got some good images in there. Let's type in growth. See what comes up. Growth. Okay. Growth is good. We're looking for a good picture of something engaging for that first picture. So we'll go down about midways into the article here. and we'll click something, one of these pictures about escaping the employer mentality. Let's just click employee. Throw that in there. Employee. Again, we want something horizontally. Got an error here in this. Something we'll have to correct somewhere else. So we will go and correct that in the article over here, but that's not right. So again, Shopia is not perfect, but we like the work that they do. It's an engaging photo there. Engaging. I like that. Employee. Let's type in boss. That's where we're trying to get to, right? We're trying to get to that boss mentality. So there's a good engaging picture. Some of these bosses look like they've been a boss maybe a little bit too long. Supervisor. Let's type in supervisor and see what we get. You know what? Let's just type in successful. That's what we're trying to get. That's what we're trying to get to. We're trying to get to that place where we're successful. So a lot of good images here. This one isn't front facing as much as I would like it, but I'm happy with that. So we'll throw that in there. We got a good midsection photo. Now we'll do this conclusion. Let's see if we got a good concluding photo. A little chessboard. That's not bad. Let's go back to the chessboard. Can't go wrong with a chessboard pick. Okay. Once we've got our 3 pictures in there, we're not going to pepper this up with pictures. We're just going to add 3. 3 is enough, I think. That's enough to kind of engage the reader. And once we have the photos in here, the article is pretty much done. We're just going to click share and HTML. Copy as HTML. Then we're going to go to where we were prepared to add our post. Again, we clicked post, add new, and we're here where we're adding a new post into WordPress, and we're just copy and paste. Control C, Control V. And so we've copied, now we pasted. Let's go down and fix that error before we forget about it. Developable. I think that was where, there it is. The mentality, escaping the mentality. Okay. All right, I think everything else looks good in here. Now, again, we want to focus on keywords. We want to focus on the article. We want to focus on this title. And so here we see the title is at 54. That's our title headliner. So we want to be up around 70 or above. So we're going to change this from unlocking to how to unlock. The power, again, we're changing also some of this capitalization of your mind. How to unlock the power of your mind. Let's just shorten this down to how to unlock your mind's potential to achieve your goals. I like it. I like it. It's boosted us up to 72. It's above 70. Now we're just going to click Save Draft. We're not ready to publish yet. We're going to click Save Draft. We're at 72. That's good. If we're above 70, we are good to go. So now we want to start saving. We've got our keywords. We've got our title here. Our keywords are going to be unlocking your mind's potential. And we'll click here and add these keywords in. Here's your RankMath section to add these keywords in. Click that, unlocking your mind's potential. And you're going to have these keywords in the beginning section. So we want to go ahead and add those in. Having the right mindset. Unlock your minds. Having the right mindset to unlock your mind's potential. So we're just adding these this keyword phrase here. To change that from having the right mindset to having the right mindset to unlock your mind's potential is crucial in reaching your aspirations. So we made that sentence work. We got our keywords in there. Now we're just looking for a sentence that will describe this article as a whole. And so we usually find that down here in these last couple of paragraphs that kind of sum everything up. Discover how a positive mindset can be cultivated to build confidence as a first-time investor. And so that's kind of what the article is about, but we have to have the keywords. So let's go back and make sure we've got these keywords. Unlock your mind's potential. Those are our article keywords. That's what we entered in this section over here. So we've got to enter this into the snippet over here to make it work. Discover how a positive mindset can be cultivated to unlock your mind's potential. And build confidence as a first-time investor. Perfect. It makes sense. We've got the keywords in there. Everything's green here. Everything is green in the title. So this permalink is too long. It's all in red. So we need to shorten this down. Let's remove the how to. See what happens. Perfect. Put it in the green. So unlock your mind's potential to achieve your goals. And this section is perfect now. So we'll close this out. Everything is in the green over here. This is exactly what we want. So now let's look at these other two sections. Our images. So let's go back to our images. We want to save our images to our computer. Let's just save them all to our computer. We've got a file created. We're saving these to OneDrive. I need to save them to this Realty Banker so they'll be easily found. Save to Realty Banker. We don't want to replace that. We've already used it. Let's just add a one out here. Sometimes we've got images that we've already used. We don't want to use them again. So let's go down to this last image. We're saving this, and it just goes to defaults back to there for some reason, but we'll get them all saved in the right folder. Again, this title I got our keywords in here, so we're just going to copy the whole title, and we're going to start replacing these images. To replace them, we've got to upload, and we're going to upload and date modified. Going to go to Realty Banker, date modified. It's just going to be the last three that we entered in here, I'm pretty sure. So let's add in these last three. Okay, so let's go to replace, open media library, upload files, and we're in Realty Banker, date modified, those three, and we've copied the keywords already to the clipboard. So we're just going to add these in here. We're going to skip the captions. We're not trying to add captions. We're just trying to add the keywords and attach them to the photos. All right. This was the photo, was our main photo, I believe, right here. So let us select that, our main photo. Now we've got it permanently attached. Keywords are attached to it. Go to this second one. Replace media library. There's that picture. I'm going to select that one. I like to do them about halfway. Place, open media library. Again, we go in here, we're looking for these images, drag them down to about halfway, and we have all of the images added in here. Perfect. Now let's go and add our featured image. And this will be our featured image. This is kind of the one that's going to engage people. They're going to be looking, they're going to be seeing this person. They're going to be saying, you know, how is this image going to connect with me? It's kind of it's kind of where you want to be. Again, new tags. We want to grab these. We want to grab these tags. I'm going to say we could just go right back into our article wizard, go into keywords where we were adding these keywords in, just grab these keywords. Go back here and then go back into the Realty Banker site. We want our tags in there. So put all of our tags. That's in there. We're up to 83. That's great. That's where we want to be. But we still have a little bit more that we want to do. And so what we're going to do at this point, we're going to do some internal links. Each one of these articles needs a little internal linking. And so what we're going to do at this point is we're just going to go and grab an article that we've previously done before. So we're going to go to Realty Banker and we're going to go to these posts and we're going to go to a previous post. Click edit there. And once this opens, we're just going to scroll to the bottom. We're going to get these internal links. Grab these last two, join the Realty Banker network, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Grab these links, these last couple of lines here, copy those, bring them down to the end of this article, add them in here. Last thing to add is an image from the media library. It's going to be our Realty Banker image. Realty Banker image. And of course, this is the larger of the Realty Banker image files. Drag this down a little bit to where it's manageable. That's good. And we're finished. We're up to 88 on our score. I like it. The title is at 72. There's nothing wrong with that. We'll scroll down through here one time, just looking for errors and omissions. Developable. That's okay. Eco-friendly. That's okay. Reframe. Nothing wrong with that. Trackable. Some of these words just aren't going to be in here, so oops, stay on page. Now that's pretty much it. We did our final check. We've got everything in here. We've got our tags. We've got our featured image. Our article is complete. So basically we just want to go back, do another once over. And we could see here there's more that we could do to tweak the title, more that we could do to tweak the SEO. There's also more that we could do to just fix these additional things. The density of the keywords, it's not so prevalent. I'm not so concerned about that. And so we'll just click publish and we'll be done. And that is it. Content Creation 101. Thank you for tuning in.